Welcome to our video review of the Shark CH951. Is this truly the ultimate pet and car vacuum? Let's put it through a real-world test to find out. Marketed as an ultra-lightweight cleaner for pet owners, the reality is a mixed bag. While it dominates on upholstery and is great for quick spot cleaning, you'll find it struggles with large debris and has limited battery life. Under the hood, it features dual cyclonic technology to maintain suction as the bin fills. In our debris test, it excelled with dust and sand but failed to pick up larger items like cereal. The Pet Power Brush is a standout. With its self-cleaning rubber fins, it easily lifted embedded fur from upholstery without any hair wrap issues. It's a genuine champion for pet owners. For car interiors, its slim design and included tools make it very maneuverable. It reaches deep into seat gaps effectively, though its battery life might cut your deep cleaning session short. Equipped with a non-swappable lithium-ion battery, this vacuum provides fade-free power for about 12 minutes. It is strictly a grab-and-go tool, not designed for full vehicle detailing. Charging can be an inconvenience. It takes 4 to 6 hours to fully charge, and with no included wall mount, you'll have to leave it lying on the floor while it powers up. The XL Dust Cup offers a decent capacity and a convenient hands-free ejector button. The entire assembly is detachable, making it easy to rinse clean in the sink. Its two-part foam and felt filtration system effectively traps fine debris. While not a true HEPA filter, it is washable, which helps keep maintenance costs low, provided you allow 24 hours for it to air dry. The kit includes 3 useful tools, but there's a durability concern. The attachment clips are made of a brittle plastic, so be sure to connect them gently to avoid breakage. At just 2.8 pounds, this vacuum is exceptionally light. Its balanced design makes it very comfortable to hold, minimizing fatigue during overhead cleaning tasks. Regarding sound, it produces about 71 to 80 decibels. While it won't terrify your pets, it does emit a high-pitched frequency that some users might find irritating over time. Performance varies by surface. It excels on carpets and upholstery, but the motorized head tends to scatter debris on hard floors, where using the crevice tool is a better option. With a $99 MSRP and a 2-year warranty, it offers good value compared to competitors like the Bissell Pet Hair Eraser or Black & Decker Advanced Clean, especially when found on sale. In summary, if you need a lightweight pet hair and spot cleaner, this is a great buy. However, look elsewhere if you need extended runtimes or a wall mount system. Final score, 4.3 out of 5.